The mystery of 5 whys, unraveling the meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, 5 whys. Don't let the number and the word confuse you. By the end of this video, you'll grasp its significance and usage. Let's embark on this learning journey together. 5 whys is a problem-solving technique that involves asking, why, 5 times to get to the root cause of a problem. The idea is that by continuously asking, why, one can peel away the layers of symptoms and reach the underlying issue. Imagine an onion. You peel layer after layer to get to the core. Similarly, 5 whys helps in reaching the core of a problem. This method was popularized by the Toyota production system in the 1970s. While it sounds simple, its strength lies in its ability to quickly identify the root cause of an issue. Toyota believed that problems are best solved by observing them firsthand and asking, why, until the root cause is found. Although it's titled 5 whys, the number 5 is not strict. One might need fewer or more than 5 questions to identify the problem's root. Even if you're not an engineer at Toyota, you can use this phrase in everyday conversations, especially when discussing problem solving. Here are some examples. 1. Let's use the 5 whys technique to understand why our project got delayed. 2. If you keep asking the 5 whys, you'll eventually find out the main reason. 3. She employed the 5 whys method to trace back to the source of her computer glitch. As an English language learner, it's beneficial to know phrases like 5 whys, because they 1. Enhance your vocabulary. Familiarizing yourself with such terms gives you an edge in conversations, especially in professional settings. 2. Offer cultural context. The 5 whys showcases how language, business, and problem-solving intertwine in English-speaking cultures. 3. Help in practical situations. If you find yourself in a problem-solving scenario, using the 5 whys can be an effective tool, both linguistically and methodically. And there we have it. The mystery of the 5 whys unraveled. Whether you're tackling problems at work, studying for an English exam, or simply broadening your linguistic horizons, we hope this video illuminated a new corner of the English language for you. Remember, every phrase has a story, and knowing it can make you not just a better speaker, but also a more informed individual. Until next time, keep asking, why, and stay curious.